Horntails are flying pests that look like wasps, but are actually sawflies. These insects don't sting like wasps would, but they are known to burrow into wood, potentially causing damage to the wood of homes, trees, and fences. In this video, we'll go over how to spot horntails, how to control their activity, and how to prevent them from coming back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Horntails are flying, wasp-like insects that grow up to 1.5 inches in length. Depending on the species, their colorations can vary to include black, blue, or reddish-brown, with ivory, yellow, or orange markings. Both male and female horntails will have a horn-like structure on their tail ends that are often confused for wasp stingers. Females will also have a long ovipositor used for laying eggs. To tell the difference between a horntail and a wasp, look at the insect's waist. A horntail will have a much thicker waist, while a wasp's waist is much thinner. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Horntails are a type of sawfly, insects that pierce and lay eggs into plant tissue. Unlike most sawflies that target herbaceous plants like roses and other flowers, horntails will target trees, thus giving them their alternate name, wood wasps. Horntails, or wood wasps, infest decaying, dying, or fallen trees. Different species will target hardwoods, softwoods, or coniferous trees. If you suspect horntail activity, check trees and wooden structures on your property, including your home. Look for the horntails themselves, or you can look for exit holes that are typically 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch in diameter. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To control horntails on your property, use an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. For residential applications, you can use a handheld pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Mix and apply a solution to trees and wooden structures at the labeled rate of 1 fluid ounce of product and 1 gallon of water. Spray cracks, crevices, and holes where horntails are suspected of nesting. Treat these areas until well saturated. Then spray trees along their trunks. Next, conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that insects can use to hide or invade. Then spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Allow the product to dry completely before letting people or pets back around the area. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Since horntails primarily target unhealthy trees, the best thing you can do to prevent reinfestation is to improve and maintain your tree's health. Regularly prune back overgrown or damaged limbs, and keep trees well watered. We recommend you use Solutions Tree Watering Bags. The Solutions Tree Watering Bag is a slow-release watering bag designed to deliver 8 to 10 hours of continuous watering with up to 20 gallons of irrigation. For newly planted or established trees that are 1 to 8 inches in trunk diameter and the branches are 25 inches off the ground, we recommend 1 or 2 tree watering bags. Zip 2 of the bags together for trees 4 to 8 inches in diameter. Finally, keep up with regular applications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT lasts for up to 90 days, so 1 application every 3 months will provide year-round protection against horntails and over 70 other pests. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop horntails from tearing up your wood, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.